Paper 1, question 9. Sean works for a company. His normal rate of pay is £12 per hour. When Sean works more than 8 hours a day, he is paid overtime for each hour he works more than 8 hours. Sean's rate of overtime pay per hour is 1.25 times his normal rate of pay per hour. On Monday, Sean worked 10 hours. Work out the total amount of money Sean earned on Monday. Right, to start off with, we need to do a couple of things. First of all, we need to have a check what is his overtime pay. So his overtime pay is 1.5 times his normal rate. So if I say his normal rate is £12 per hour, that's normal. His overtime pay is going to be 12 times 1.25. So 1 times 12 is 12. A quarter of 12, half it, then half it again. Half of 12 is 6. Half of 6 is 3. So his overtime pay is going to be £12 plus the £3 overtime he's getting additional to that. So that's going to be £15 an hour. Right, so you get at least 1 mark. It's a 4-mark question, so you're going to get at least 1 mark to state that. Now, it says here, Sean works 8 hours a day. That's his normal pay, and anything on top of that, he'll get overtime at a rate of 1.25. So on Monday, he worked 10 hours. So he's going to get 8 hours of normal pay, and he's going to get 2 hours of overtime pay. Okay. So first of all, let's do 12 multiplied by 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 1 is 8 plus 1 is 9. So his normal pay for the 8 hours he does is £96. But in addition to this, he's done 2 hours overtime. 2 hours overtime. So he gets £15 an hour for the overtime, and he's done 2 hours of overtime. So 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3, which you know, just double 15 is 30. Then if we add those together, now if you're adding those, you can do that straight away. 90 plus 30 is 120, plus the 626. But if you're not confident to do that in your head, I mean, it is an uncalculated paper, and you will get marks for showing all your working out. So I suggest you just write down 96, add the 30, line it up in units and tens. There's your 6, and 9 plus the 3 is 12. So his pay for Monday is going to be £126.